A very good evening to everyone. Okay, so before starting the class, can you please confirm whether my voice is audible to everyone and you can see my screen as well? If yes, then please raise your hands. Okay, great. So basically, a very good evening and good afternoon to everyone. I hope everyone is doing well, right? Okay. So basically, there is still people left to join the class, but we are starting the today's session. Right. So how are you all? Great. Okay, great. The screen is visible. Okay. And my screen is visible as well. I'm audible and my screen is visible, right? Okay. Okay. So lots of people are raising their hand. So I request you to, instead of the raising your hand, please put your queries in the chat section. Okay. Instead of raising your hands, please put your queries in the chat section so that I can be aware about your queries and I can provide the solution accordingly. Okay. Many of you are saying my mic is on mute and I want to unmute it. I want to speak. So basically in the webinar, you cannot speak because here there is not a one-to-one session. Okay. So here more than two students are there. And if I'm allowing you to speak, then definitely I will not be able to discuss anything in the session. Okay. So that's why you cannot speak in the session. Okay. But if you have any query, then you can ask your queries in the chat section. Okay. Okay. So before starting the session, let me clear few things. Okay. If anyone is facing any issues like I'm speaking, okay, but not audible, or my screen is not visible, then please leave the session and rejoin it. Okay, because the issue can be occur because the technology can fail and everyone is aware about it, right? Technology can fail anytime. So for such if you are facing such problem, then leave the session and rejoin it. Second is, please ask your queries in the chat section of this session, okay, so that I can know about your queries. Those who are raising hand, I cannot know about your queries if you are just raising your hands. Okay, so instead of raising the hand, please put your queries in the chat section. I will definitely address your queries. Okay. Okay, let's move forward. Shall we start the session? Okay, great. Okay, so before starting the session, just wait a minute. Many of you are saying my face is not visible, okay, and some other technology problem. So basically there is no problem. Okay, this is a webinar. Okay, and here just I'm sharing my whole screen so that I can explain everything, and I don't want to utilize the screen just because of my face. Okay, that's why my face is not visible on your screen. Okay. Okay. Now, before starting the session, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravi K. Pandey. Okay, and I am a data scientist. Okay. Now, everyone, please be active on the chat because it will help me to understand that we are still connected. Okay, and for any issue, if you are facing, please respond immediately on the chat. Okay. Okay. Some of you are saying this is your first session or not. So let me tell you, this is your preparatory session. Okay, this is your preparatory session, not a first class. Okay, now question is what we are going to do or discuss in this class. Okay, so basically in this class we are going to see couple of things that will be used in upcoming classes. Basically we are going to know about the different softwares, different applications that we are going to use in your course. Okay, great. Okay, some of you are saying, is it okay if they are joining the session through the mobile? Okay, so let me tell you, yes, you can join the session, but I request to just take one notebook and write down all the steps so that you can install the applications later. Okay, otherwise, if your laptop or PC is available, then please join the session through the laptop. Okay, it will help you to understand each and every step. If you are facing any issue, then you can directly ask in the session. Okay. Okay. So now we are beginning. We are beginning with the installation now. Okay, and just please wait and let me share my screen again. Is my screen is visible? Can you see my Google Chrome? Everyone. Okay. Okay. I want all of you to head over the browser. Okay. You can use any browser. It can be Safari. It can be Google Chrome. It can be Firefox. Okay. Or even you can also use Microsoft Edge. Okay. So please head over the browser. Okay. And let me know once you are there. Okay. Some common question. Someone is asking what is the basic requirement for the system. So let me tell you what is the basic requirement. Okay. So if you are going to purchase a new laptop, okay, related to data science, then the RAM should be minimum of 8 GB or 16 GB. Okay. Try to purchase a laptop with DDR4 RAM or DDR5. Okay, but the minimum RAM should be 8 GB or 16 GB. Okay, you need to open a browser. Okay, second thing is 150 GB free space should be in your HDD or SDD, in your hard disk or SDD. Okay, minimum 150 GB free space should be there. Okay. Now, if I'm talking about processor, then for the Windows, okay, the processor, for the normal laptop like Dell or HP or any other company, the processor must be greater than i5. Okay, sorry, i5 or greater than i5 with latest generation of the processor. Okay, you can also buy Ryzen 3 or Ryzen 5. Okay, third thing is operating system. So for operating system, for Windows, the minimum requirement for Windows operating system is Windows 10. Okay, if you have Windows later version of the like Windows 7, Windows 8 or any another, then please update your Windows to the latest, that is Windows 11. Otherwise, at least Windows 10. Okay, third is Mac OS. Okay, those who are using Mac OS, their MacBook Air is enough. Okay, if they have the latest version like M1 with M1 chip or M2 chip, that is fine. But if you are using MacBook Air is also using, then it is also enough. Okay, and you can use any OS. Okay, you can use any operating system. It can be Linux, can be Windows, it can be Mac OS. Okay, if someone is saying their laptop is 4 GB, then I request please just increase the RAM. Okay, the minimum RAM requirement is 8 GB. Okay, otherwise you will face many system related issues when you are running the machine learning algorithm or any another modules. Okay. Okay, I'm just writing the specifications here. Wait. 8 GB. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is the minimum requirement for the laptop. Okay. Okay. OS Windows 10 is fine. Miss Chandni Kumar, Chandni, wait a minute. Yeah, Chandni Kumar. Okay. I request you to please ask only the technical queries. Okay. If you have any technical query related to system, then definitely I will address your query. If you are asking any non-technical query, then I'm really sorry, but I cannot address the query here because it will take some time. Okay. And I don't want to waste my time. Okay, because there are so many things we are going to do, so please focus here. And if you have any another query, you can directly connect with the career coach team. They are the best person to help you with your queries. They will definitely help you with your queries. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So wait. Okay, now Everything is clear about the specification of laptop, right? And one more thing, I hope everyone is on this browser, right? Great. Now on your browser, simply use the google.com, okay, or any another search engine, and here search anaconda.com. Sorry, Anaconda only. Okay, in your browser, search Anaconda. Search for Anaconda. I am repeating again. Please search for Anaconda. Yeah, Miss Aarti, you are saying, is someone saying anything? I cannot hear anything. Yes, I'm saying, I'm speaking. Okay, and if you have any query, if you are not able to hear me, then please wait. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, search for Anaconda in your web browser and you will see many things on the search result, right? Even you can see the snakes also. Okay, you can see different videos. Okay, you can see so many search options are there. Okay, but here you need to see this, that is anaconda.com. Okay, you can see the anaconda.com here, right? I hope my screen is visible. Okay, so here select the first link, that is your anaconda.com, and it will redirect you to this page. Okay, I hope everyone can see my screen. Okay, this is the official website, official page of anaconda.com. Okay, now once you are here, you can see start coding now, and here you can see the download option. Okay, now here you can see there is option, or there is a logo of my Windows. Why? Because I'm using the Windows OS. If you are using the Mac, then it will be Mac OS. The symbol of the Mac OS will be here. If you are using Linux, then the symbol of Linux operating system will be present here. Just because I'm using Windows, that's why here Windows, the logo of Windows is present along with download button. Okay. Okay. Now click on it and it will start downloading the Anaconda application. Again, I'm repeating, those who are raising hand, please put your queries in the chat section instead of raising the hand. Okay, if you are raising hand, I cannot know about your queries. But if you are writing your query in the chat section, then definitely I will address your query. Okay, so please, okay, so please click on it and it will start downloading the Anaconda application. Okay, the size of the Anaconda application, wait. Okay, the size of the Anaconda application is 787 MB for the Windows. Yes, it is very big file. I know. Okay, the size is 787. Okay. Okay, so mine is downloaded, and if your internet connection is slow, then definitely it will take couple of minutes. Okay, so okay, 564 MB for Mac. That's great. Okay, but here the size for Windows is bit larger. Okay, now okay, if the speed of internet is slow, then that's fine. Okay, you just need to now note down all the steps that I am discussing here. Okay. Those who have a slow internet connection, please make sure to have a notebook with you. Note down everything. I am mentioning everything here. That's fine if it is taking 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes. Okay, it depends on your internet speed. So in that case, you can download the, sorry, you okay, you can take a notebook with you, note down everything. Okay, and one more thing, we are going to upload the recorded video of this session. You can watch it later. Okay, you can again you can watch several times to download or to install the application in your file, in your system. Okay, great. So for me it is downloaded. Okay, so if the Anaconda application is downloaded, then please double click on the application. Double click on the application to set up. That's fine. If your screen is same as my screen, then you can see the application either it is downloaded or not. Okay, if it is not visible on your screen, then you can visit the download folder, okay, inside your drive, and you can check whether the application is downloaded or not. Okay, if it is downloaded, then double click on it to start the setup. Just wait a minute. Okay, now after clicking, you can see the setup has started, right? Okay, I hope this the same screen that I'm getting. Welcome to Anaconda 3 2023, right? 64-bit setup. Is it coming on your screen? Okay, great. Then here there are two options, click and cancel. If you are clicking on the cancel, then the setup will be cancelled. Okay, for here to here, please click on next. Okay. So many of you asking, can we download the Anaconda application and mobile phone? No, you cannot, because if you are checking here in the official website, just wait a minute, okay? On the official website, you can see the get additional installer. If I'm clicking here, there is no option for Android, for mobile Mac OS, okay, iOS that is. So here basically they are giving only three options for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux. So you cannot install the Anaconda application in your mobile phone. Okay. Okay. Now here, click on next. Then after that, click on agree. For the Mac OS, okay, those who are using the Mac OS, the option is a little bit different. Okay. For Mac people, please, the installation is little bit different, but please click on next, next, and last you need to click on install. Okay, for Windows, I'm just I'm mentioning all the steps here. Okay, then after clicking on next, click on I agree. Okay, there you will get two options, just me and all users. So basically you need to install for just me. Okay, so click on just me, select that is by default. Okay, that is your default option. Then click on next. Okay, here you can see there is destination folder. Okay, here it is automatically giving you the destination folder. Please do not make any changes in the destination folder. Please do not make any changes in the destination folder. Okay, here to more information you can see the space required is 4.7 GB. Space available is 286 GB. Okay, if you have insufficient space, then definitely you will not be able to install the Anaconda application in your system. And in such cases, you have to remove or delete the unnecessary or unrequired file from your system. Okay. Okay, to repeat the down. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, just wait a minute. First, let me complete. Then I will tell you again how to download the Anaconda application. Okay. Now click on next. Please do not make any changes in the destination folder and directly click on next. Okay, it is showing the directory C users Lenovo Anaconda 3 is not empty. Please choose a different location, right? So in such cases, you can directly visit, okay, you can directly visit the given folder. Okay, just wait. What was the destination folder? You can see C users Lenovo. Okay, just wait. Users, okay, Lenovo, and then after that Anaconda 3. You can see there is one file already exists with the same name. That's why I'm getting the error. Okay, if you have installed, why I'm mentioning the same step here, because if you tried some time, okay, and you just stop the installation in between, okay, then definitely you will get this folder will be present in your destination file. And in such cases, you will face the same error that I was getting. What? That in the destination folder, another file exists. So in such case, please delete this folder. Okay, delete this folder. Wait. Please wait a minute. Yes. Okay. Now it is deleted, right? Now I'm again start. Where is download? Okay, click on next, click on I agree, just me, click on the destination folder, click on next. Okay, now you can see once I have deleted the folder from the destination address. Okay, now I am able to install it. Now if again I'm visiting the same folder, okay, here after some time it will be present here with the same name. Okay, now click on install. Okay, click on install and it will begin the installation of Anaconda in your system. Okay, someone is saying if they are not able to download the Anaconda application today, if you are using the good internet speed, then I hope you are able to download. But if your system is taking the time, then please use good internet speed. Okay. One more thing, if you are not able to download now, then please watch every step that I'm discussing here. Okay. Then after that, you can watch the recorded video of this session that will be uploaded in your LMS. Okay. From there, you can watch the recorded video. You can follow the same steps to install the Anaconda application in your system. Okay. For me, the installation is already begun. Okay. Just wait and let the installation finish. Okay. Till my installation, I'm installing the Anaconda. Let me tell you why we are using the Anaconda. Okay. Because if you know, Anaconda is an application. Okay. Just wait. Basically, Anaconda is an application, okay, that we are using in the data science related work, okay, that we are going to also use in your upcoming section. Basically, if I'm asking about the what is the advantage of the Anaconda, so basically, in most of the companies, they are using the Anaconda application because each and every required package of related to data science is already present in this Anaconda application. So you do not need to download any application separately. For example, RStudio, Jupyter Notebook. Okay, such applications are pre-installed in this application, in Anaconda application. Okay, so Anaconda is a package that contains everything. Okay, one more thing, most of the company, they are using the Anaconda, so that's why it is most widely used application in the data science field. Okay, and one more thing, we are going to use the Python language for the data science. Okay, and in Anaconda we are using for the Python programming. Okay, in Python program, sorry, in Anaconda we can use, we can write the Python programs, and also we are using the Anaconda application for machine learning. Okay, for machine learning related projects and data science related work. I hope you are clear why we are installing this Anaconda application in our system. Okay, because we are going to use this application from Python programming to machine learning, for even for deep learning also. Okay. Okay. See, if your operating system is OS, sorry, Mac OS, then download the application of only that is related to Mac OS. Okay. If your OS is Windows, then download the Anaconda applications related to Windows only. Okay. If you are downloading the application of another OS, then definitely you will face problem while installing it. Okay, so please download the application as per your operating system. Okay, so basically the installation is complete, right? Now, once installation completed, click on next. Okay, again click on next and uncheck these both options. Okay, welcome to Anaconda and getting started with Anaconda distribution. Uncheck both the options. Again, I'm repeating, once the installation is completed, click on next, then again click on next, uncheck these both options and click on finish. Okay. Those who are facing or encountering any error while downloading the Anaconda application, kindly close the application and start from beginning. Okay. I'm repeating again how to install the application. Okay, please wait a minute. Just visit your search engine. Okay, open any browser and search Anaconda. Okay, after searching, you will get many results. Just click on the first website, that is your https://www.anaconda.com. Click on it, click on the first website, and it will redirect you to the official page of Anaconda. Okay, now here you can see the download button along with the symbol of OS that you are currently using. Click on the click on download button. It will download the package of Anaconda in your system. Once it is downloaded, double click on it, okay, to start the setup, and just click next, next, next. Okay, once and then after that, one place it will ask, it will show you the destination folder. Okay, please do not make any changes in the destination folder. And if you have already tried to install earlier, then definitely you will face one problem that I have already told you how to encounter that one. Okay, how to solve that problem. Okay, so then after that, once the installation is complete, click on next, then next, and uncheck both the options. And then after that, finish. Done? Okay. Okay, someone is saying they are facing Manus error. Okay, those who are facing the Manus error, please download a fresh copy of application. And if your Windows operating system is not Windows 10 or Windows 11, then please upgrade your Windows to at least Windows 10 or the latest version. Okay. Okay. Now here you can see the search option. Okay. Here, simply search Anaconda Navigator. In the search bar, okay, search Anaconda Navigator. You can see here, okay, the option is coming, Anaconda Navigator. If the Anaconda package is installed in your system, then you will see the Anaconda Navigator. Otherwise, it will redirect you to your web browser. Okay, this is an application where you can see it is clearly mentioned here, Anaconda Navigator app. Okay, so in your search option, click here and search Anaconda Navigator. Okay, and here you can see the application, right? Click on open. Okay, it will take couple of minutes. Just wait. Okay. Now you can see my screen, right? This way in slicing with the green symbol. Right? So basically my Anaconda Navigator is opening. So for the first time, it will take couple of minutes. Search Anaconda Navigator here. I'm repeating again, search Anaconda Navigator. Here you will see the application. If the Anaconda application is already installed, click on open. Okay, it will take couple of minutes. Then you will see this screen like I am. You can see here. Okay, can I use my already installed Minconda as Anaconda? I suggest to use Anaconda because Minconda has less less features as compared to Anaconda. Then definitely you can face problem in future. Okay, so that's why you can install the Anaconda. Okay. Okay, if okay, someone is saying mine one is still installing. That's fine if it is installing. Wait. Okay. Now I hope everyone is on this page, right? Please let me know if you are on the same page like I am. Here you can see, right? Okay, now I was just explaining few minutes ago that the Anaconda is a package where so many applications are already pre-installed. So now here you can see data spill, Jupyter Lab, Notebook, okay, Qt console, Spider, Datalore, IBM Watson Studio Cloud, Oracle Data Science Services, okay. Then after that, Orange 3, PyCharm, and RStudio, right? Okay. Then after that, RStudio. You can see many applications are already present here, right? Okay. I have Glovis. That's fine if you have. Okay. No need to install anything. Okay. I'm just explaining you all these applications are pre-installed in Anaconda. Okay. Okay. Now here you can see the Jupyter notebook, right? You can see the Jupyter notebook. Okay. Just below the Jupyter notebook, there is one option that is launch. Click on the launch button. Okay. Click on the launch button. Again, it will take couple of minutes because first time it is opening. Okay. So click on launch button. Now, here you can see this is the home page of my Jupyter notebook. Okay. This is the home page of my Jupyter notebook. Okay. Let me know if you are on the same page. Miss or Chandni Kumari, I am explaining you about one application. You are using another one. Okay. I am asking you to use Jupyter Notebook. You are opening RStudio. Please follow the instructions. If you are new in this field, then please follow the instructions. If you have already experience, okay, if you have prior experience, then definitely go ahead. Okay, you can use any application. But for now, if you don't have, then please let me explain here. Okay, I'm explaining. So please follow the instructions. Okay, if your system is taking time, then that's fine. Okay, because the hardware also plays a very big role while installing any application. Okay, that's why we are asking for some minimum requirement. Okay, because you know every hardware, every part of your hardware plays a very important role. Okay, so if your system is taking time, then that's normal. Okay, no need to worry about the same thing. If your processor is i3 and it is the latest generation, then fine. Okay. Okay. Now this is the home page of my Jupyter notebook. Here you can see there are two options. Wait, let me zoom in my screen. Okay. I hope now my screen is visible, right? Here you can see there are two options. First one is upload, second one is new. Okay. So now you can simply click on new, then click on Python 3 kernel. Okay. Click on Python 3 kernel. Okay. Now this is your Jupyter notebook. Okay. Okay. This is your new Jupyter notebook look like. Okay. Yes, it will open on new web page because here it is using the local host, right? Just wait. Okay, someone is asking what is local host. So basically, local host is a host name that refers your local machine or the machine currently making the request. Okay, means the machine on which you are working currently. Okay, so you can say that in a simple word, local host is just a host name that refers to the computer that is executing a program, that is our computer itself, that is your laptop itself. Okay, clear? Okay, so this is our Jupyter notebook. This is our Jupyter notebook, and this is the home page, and this was the local host. Someone was asking about the same thing, right? Now okay, if I don't know why it fails to open, so please first, if it is not opening now, then please close all the applications. Okay, use your taskbar and see either the same application is running in behind or not. If it is running, then force stop it and then again try to open it. Yes, I have already explained what is localhost, right? Okay, how to go to Jupyter notebook? Okay, Jupyter homepage, I have clearly mentioned. Click on the search bar, search Anaconda Navigator. Okay, in the Anaconda Navigator, then sorry, in the once you are opening the Anaconda Navigator, okay, then this page will appear on your screen. Okay, then this page, just wait a minute. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay. Okay, it is trying to open one more time. Just please wait a minute. Okay, so once the Anaconda Navigator is open, here you can see the Jupyter Notebook. Inside, just below the Jupyter Notebook, you can see a launch button. Click on this launch button and you will be redirected to this page, this home page. Okay, in the home page, click on new, click on Python 3 kernel, and one new notebook will be opened. Okay, and this is your Jupyter Notebook. This is your Jupyter notebook. Okay, now I am going to write a code and print something. Okay, now I am going to write a code and print something in Python language. Okay, just wait. Okay, after writing the code here, what I'm doing, I'm just declaring a variable. Okay, and I'm writing the string inside the double quotes. Okay, one more thing, you can write anything here in place of data, and inside the double quotes you can write anything. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, now here you can see I have just written a one code, okay, where I am writing welcome to the data science world. Whenever any programmer, okay, is starting his career, his or her career in data in coding field, the first code he or she is writing print hello world. Okay, those who have worked in C, C++, Java, or any other programming language, they have faced the same thing. First code is print hello world. So here, welcome to the data science world, right? So basically, this is your first Python code. Okay, and congratulations to everyone for writing your first Python program. Now, I am just giving one task. Okay, write down your name in the same way in your Python notebook. So in your Jupyter notebook. Okay, just before that, let me tell you, just let me explain few more things. Okay, here you can see there is option file. Okay, if you click here, you can directly click on a new notebook, and new notebook will be opened. Python 3 kernel. Okay, one new notebook will be opened, right? Second thing, from here you can open any existing notebook. If you are trying to open, then it will redirect to your home page. Okay, now done. Third thing, you can make a copy, you can save as. Okay, you can download the file as a HTML file, latex file, markdown, PDF. So many things are options are there. Okay, now just wait a minute. Okay, now here let me tell you, this is the kernel. Okay, if you are writing the code, if your code is correct and still you are getting any error, kindly simply click on the kernel and restart. Click on restart and run all. Okay, it will restart the kernel and will execute all the cells present in your cell. Okay, what is cell? So basically this is the cell. Okay, this is the cell. Whenever you want to write a new cell, click on plus symbol, it will create. This is a cell. Here you can say this is a cell. And when I'm executing it, when I'm executing the code, then here you can see the number is coming. This is my first cell. This is my second cell. Okay, now what I need to do to execute the cell? For that, you can select the cell, you can use run button, or you can use shift plus enter in your keyboard. Shift plus enter. For example, wait, A1 is equal to right. And I'm using print A1 or just A, just wait. Okay, now you can see my name. Okay, after writing this code, I'm just using shift plus enter. Shift plus enter, or every time you are executing, the count number will be increased. Okay, either earlier it was 3, now it will be 4. Now if I want to run again, select the cell, click on run, it will be 5. Now here you can see this is my output. My name is Ravi K. Pandey. So I am giving you one task. Okay, just write down your name in Jupyter notebook like I am writing in here. Okay, open your Jupyter notebook, write the same thing, just replace your name with my name. Okay, sorry, replace my name with your name. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me tell you about Python programming language. Okay, why we are using the Python programming language in data science. Okay, why we are not using any existing language? Because here in the Jupyter notebook, you can only write the code in Python. Okay, only in Python. So Python is a very easy language. First thing, because here I'm writing the code like I'm writing something in English language, right? Like I'm writing a English language. You can see here, right? Second thing, it is widely used across the world of data science. It is easy to write, easy to understand, and easy to learn. Okay. Now, someone is asking where we are using the data science. So basically, data science is everywhere. Okay, if I am saying data science is everywhere, means in every industry. Most of the around, I'm saying 95 or 99% industries nowadays are using data science. Why? Because they want to fetch some useful information or insights from the data they are generating, right? Like you have heard about Facebook, right? You have heard about Microsoft, you have heard about Google. So they are generating so much data. So to fetch some useful information from those data, they need data scientist. Okay. Okay. Based on this information, the industries are making big and important decisions. Now, someone is saying, now this can be done by Chat GPT. So can you please tell me how the Chat GPT is working? What the Chat GPT is doing? Basically, the Chat GPT is doing the same thing. How? Because Chat GPT is using the data science. Okay. For the Chat GPT, they have feed it like I cannot say the what amount of data, but they have feed it so much data so that the machine can learn. And that's what we are doing in machine learning. In machine learning, we are feeding the data. We are feeding the data to our model so that my model can learn from my previous data. And on the basis of its experience or on the basis of its learning, okay, it can make a decision on the future data or about the future outcomes. Okay, so your Chat GPT is not predicting anything. First, it has learned from widely used data. Okay, and after the learning, on the basis of its experience, it is writing the code. It is giving you the information. Okay, if you are using the normal Chat GPT, not the paid version, so you can see if you are asking anything after 2022, then your Chat GPT is not able to answer it. Okay, because they have feeded the data till 2021. Okay, so that's why everywhere we are feeding the data. A Chat GPT is just an example. Okay, okay, that's great. Now I hope everyone already executed the same code, right? You have checked the code, right? Now, please, everyone print your names in the Python, okay, using the same syntax. Those who are saying no, sir, please, I'm giving one more minute. Please print your name in the Python and use the same syntax like I'm using. Okay, the output here, I'm writing the code. Okay, here I'm writing the code and here I'm getting the output. Okay, okay. To execute the command, select the cell and press Shift plus Enter. Okay, Shift plus Enter. I'm repeating again. Please use Shift plus Enter. Okay, now whatever I'm writing in this file, it is already saved in your system. Now, but just wait a minute. Okay, now if I want to rename the file, here you can see I'm explaining again. Click on the file name, that is untitled2 is the name of my file. Click here, okay, and write data science, right? And click on rename. Wait, data science 1, 2, 3. Cannot rename file or directory. Wait, why it is showing? Wait. Okay, so just wait a minute. Why I'm not able to. Okay, to rename the file, okay, simply click here. Just wait a minute. You cannot create rename file or directory. Okay. Okay, I need to check. Okay, otherwise you can simply click on the file. Okay, you can replace the name here and you can click on rename function. Okay, it will rename the file. Just wait and let me. Okay, data science file already exists. 1, 2, 3. Cannot find. What is the problem here? Wait. Okay, now I think the file name with the same name was exist. Okay, so you cannot create two files. That's why I was getting one error. So simply click on the file name, write the name and click rename. Okay, it will rename the name of your file, right? Okay, one more thing. Now, how I can perform the mathematical operation in Jupyter Notebook? So for that, you can use, for example, here I am writing print, okay, 10 plus 5. Okay, so what will be the output? The output should be 15, right? If I want to perform some subtraction, okay, print 26 subtract 24. Here you can see the output. Okay, so you can write any Python code like I am writing. Okay, Mr. Deepak Thakur, if you have shared one message one time, then what is the need to populate the same message several times? Okay, if you are not getting the Anaconda navigator on my PC, then I have already told you. First, install the Anaconda application in your system. Check whether it is installed or not. If it is not installed, then you will not get the Anaconda navigator in the system. Okay. Okay. One more thing. Let me tell you. In Python is a case sensitive language. Okay. Python is a case sensitive language. So for example, here you can see data, right? Here it is data. And if I'm after executing this code, I'm writing one more thing and I want to print the output. So here, if I'm writing, so you can see there is one error. I'm right. The spelling is exactly same, data and the data. But the difference is here the data is starting with small d, whereas here the data is starting with capital D. Okay, the later case is capital. Here the starting letter case is small. That's why here what I'm getting, the name error, data is not defined. So Python is a case sensitive language. And if I'm writing with the same letter case, now if I'm running again, now you can see the output, right? So you can see how the Python is easy to write the code. Now you just need to learn different syntax, and we are going to learn in the same way. Okay, done. Okay, what to do if the app is installed by clicking the check boxes? That's fine. If you have not unchecked those check boxes, then that's fine. Okay, no need to worry about the same thing. Okay, the shortcut to run to execute the cell is shift plus enter. Shift plus enter. The shift plus enter will execute the code. For example, okay, I am just using 10 plus 9. Here the code is 10 plus 9 should be 19, right? Right. And the output is 15. Why? Because it is showing me the previous output, the code of the output of my previous code. Right. Now, if I want to execute it, select the cell, use shift plus enter, and you can see the output. To see the output, first you have to execute or run the cell. And to run the cell, you can use the shortcut shift plus enter. Done? Okay. Not the fresh cell for working as per my understanding. You can execute the same cell also. Okay. Just same cell. If I'm not running, if I'm not writing anything, then definitely it will. First, you have to write the code. Okay. To execute anything, you have to write the code. Okay. Okay, someone is asking how to remove the cell, right? For example, this is blank cell. If I want to remove it, simply click on the cell that you want to remove. Click on ESC, that is escape. Okay, escape plus D. Okay, the D button in your keyboard. Escape plus 2 times D will delete that cell. For example, here again, I want to remove it, or I want to remove this cell. Click on escape plus D. Okay. Okay. That's fine. So let's move ahead. And 1 minute. Okay. Now. But I'm not on the same page because you are not responding. Okay. What is your query? To others, so I don't have much chance. Okay, someone is saying I'm not responding for their query. So can you please repeat one more time your query so that I can know about it and I can address your query in the same before moving ahead. It's not C plus enter, it's shift plus enter. Okay, how can I get Anaconda Navigator? I'm explaining again. First, install the Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda package in your system. Once it is installed, okay, now click on here, search Anaconda Navigator. And if one is not getting the Anaconda Navigator while searching here as an app, it means the Anaconda application is not installed in your system, or it is installed but not in correct way. Okay, so in such cases, go to control panel, visit the install the app and uninstall it. Okay, then again download a fresh copy of the application and reinstall it in your system. Okay, once you can see the Anaconda Navigator is here, click on open and it will redirect. It will take a couple of minutes and you will be here. You will be on this page. Okay, after here, click on the launch button that is below the Jupyter notebook. Okay, after clicking here, you will be redirected to the home page of Jupyter Notebook. To open a Jupyter Notebook, click on New, click on Python kernel, and one new Jupyter Notebook will be opened. Okay, right? I hope now your query is clear, right? Yes, it can take some time. Okay, someone is saying, okay, I got an error. Can you please tell me what is the error? My name is Ifosa. Okay, you are writing if full name is equal to this one, print full name. Can you please tell me what is the error? If you can tell me what is the error, then definitely I can help you with your query. Okay, so basically these Jupyter notebooks are saved in your on your own machine. Okay, so here if you visit on the on your drive, okay, in the C drive, go to users. Okay, inside the user, see your user account, click here and just scroll down. Here you can see all the files, untitled 1, untitled 2, untitled 3, okay, and even abcxyz. Okay, abcxyz. So all the files are installed in your system. Okay, sorry, all the files are saved in your system. Okay, someone is saying you are writing, wait, what is your code? Okay, so just wait a minute. I am just taking your code. Okay, your name here. Are you writing the same code? Right? If you are using the same code, right? Just check it whether you are writing the same code or not. Okay. Now here, shift plus enter. Okay. Here. Okay. You are getting the error here because whenever you are declaring a variable, you cannot take a space. Okay, the variable, you cannot take two variable name. If you are using full space name, then it is considered as two variable and you cannot take it. So either there should be no gap between the variable name or use the underscore. Okay, use the underscore. Now here you can see, now I'm executing the code, right? Or just remove it. Now these are the rules that you are going to learn during your learning phase. Okay. Okay, it is showing. Why it is not showing in the sequence? So basically, if I am executing the same code several times, so it will increase the count. Okay, it can increase the count because every time I'm executing the code, it is not counting the number of cells. It is counting the number of times I'm executing the code. If I'm executing the code 100 times, then the 100 times here the 100 will appear. Okay. Done. Okay, great. Now open a new tab in your browser. Open a new tab in your browser and search for GitHub. I hope you have heard about GitHub. Okay, just wait. Open a new tab, search for GitHub. No problem. That's fine if you are not aware about the GitHub. Okay, how to get the code? I think I have already explained you. Okay, how we are using it. Okay, let me tell you why we are going to use the GitHub. So basically, if I'm saying GitHub is just a cloud platform for developers. Okay, for developers, it's a cloud platform. Okay, and it is a product managing by Microsoft. Okay, now here on the GitHub, all the developers, okay, and data scientists, they are using in a daily life. Why? Because they are using in order to share and save the program on GitHub link. Okay, so here I'm going to start with how to create an account so that you can get an idea how we can save the code, how we can share the file with other coder or other developer or other data scientist. Okay, even the GitHub is used by many data scientists, many developers, okay, many coders to collaborate with each other to work on some project. Okay, so that's why we are using the GitHub. Okay, now after searching on the GitHub in your web browser, click on GitHub integration. That is your first website. I cannot find. Okay, so first, those who are not able to find Anaconda Navigator in search option, please visit, search a control panel. Okay, for Windows people, I am saying, please search control panel, visit, uninstall the app, okay, and see whether the Anaconda is installed or not. If it is not installed, then install again. If it is installed, then uninstall it and then reinstall. Okay. Okay. Now click on github.com. Okay. Click on github.com. Okay. Just wait. Okay, just visit this. Okay. After clicking on the first website, I hope everyone is on this web page. This is the official page of github.com. Okay. Wait, I am just sharing the link of this. Wait. Okay. I am just sharing the link of this web page with everyone. Okay. Wait a minute. Kindly use the GitHub link. Okay. The link that I have shared with you and visit this page. Okay. And those who are raising hand, kindly put your queries in the chat section. Done. Okay. If you have already an account. Okay. If you have, okay, or we really want to hear other voices. Mr. Nilesh, can you please tell me how, if you want to hear other voices, so how I can proceed further, because everyone is facing problem. I am answering it, and if I'm allowing them to use the mic, okay, basically this is one-way communication. Here you cannot speak, but if still in any session, if I'm allowing you, so everyone is asking the queries, then definitely it will be a problem. Okay. So that's why I am just taking all the queries I am addressing in the live session so that everything can be clear and we can move forward. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so if you have already an account, then please sign in. Otherwise, click on sign up. Okay, click on sign up. Here you can see, welcome to GitHub. Let's begin with the adventure. Okay, now enter your email address. Okay, now I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, you can use any web browser. It can be Safari, it can be Opera, it can be Microsoft Edge, it can be your Firefox. Okay, you can use any web browser. That's fine. I hope everyone are on the same page, right? If yes, then please enter your email address. Okay, I'm just stop sharing my screen for few minutes. Okay, but I am giving the instructions. Till that time, please enter your email address. Okay, please enter your email address. After writing your email address, click on continue. Okay, and it will ask you to create a password. Okay, please fill your password. Okay, make sure it's at least 15 character or at least 8 character, including a number and a lowercase letter. I'm talking about password. First, enter your email address. Then after that, create a password. And after entering the password, okay, you can write anything in the password. Those who are asking what I can fill. Yeah, I know my screen is stuck. Okay. My screen is not visible because I have just stopped sharing the screen for only for 2 minutes. Okay. Please don't put your email address in the chat section. I am asking. Okay, wait. Can you see this web screen? Okay, can you see it? Right? Search for GitHub. Click on first ID, first link. You will be redirected on this page. Click on sign up. Okay. On the sign up, here it is asking for your email address. Just write down your email address, something. Okay. That is your correct email address. Click here. Okay. Then after that, click on continue. If your email is correct, then it will ask for a password. Write anything in the password. Okay. For example, I am using the password and you can see the instructions. Make sure it's at least 15 character or at least 8 characters, including a number and a lowercase letter. Now again, click on continue. It will ask for a username. Okay. Now I want everybody to choose a username. For example, okay, I am using data science. Okay, it is showing username data science is not available. Okay, underscore data. Okay, only alphanumeric. Okay, it means I cannot use the underscore. Data trained. Here you can see the data science data trained is available. Okay, so you can see whether the username that you are entering is available or not. If it is not available, then you cannot choose that username. Okay, now here click on continue. Now it is asking, would you like to receive product updates and announcement via email? Type Y for yes and for N for no. Okay. If yes, then Y. If you don't want to receive, then click on no and click on continue. Now done. Right now, here it is asking, please solve this puzzle to verify that you are a human. Click start puzzle to continue. Click on start puzzle and it is asking, pick one square that shows two identical objects. Okay, this one. Again, I need to pick the identical objects, right? Done. Now, to verify account, click on the create account. Click on the create account. Okay. Now, here it will share one code. Okay. One verification code on your given email address. okay, on your given email address. Okay, now I'm just wait a minute. Okay, I'm again stopping sharing my screen. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, please put the end code, okay, that is shared on your registered email address. Just wait a minute. Okay, wait. Just wait a minute, okay? Just wait a minute, okay? No. Okay, because I'm just waiting for my email ad enter for code, okay? Just wait a minute. Okay. 16. Okay. Once you have entered the code, just wait. Now again I'm sharing my screen. Yes, you can write your name as well as for the username. Okay, but check whether it is available or not. Okay, now here it is asking how many team member will be working with you. I am saying just me. Are you teacher or student? Student. Okay. Now here it is asking what specific features are you interested in use. So basically currently I'm not going to check anyone. Okay, and clicking on continue. Okay, now here you can see there are two options. First one is learn to ship software like a pro. Here free version and the get additional student benefit. If you want to select the get additional student benefit, then you have to pay the fee. Okay, you have to pay the price, but for the free one it is absolutely free. Okay, here you can see the services that they are providing under the free registration. Okay, now continue for free. If you want to use the GitHub student benefit, then you can apply and you have to pay some fees. Okay, now continue for free, and we are on the welcome screen. Okay, it is initializing my dashboard, right? You can see here I hope my screen is visible, right? Now, here you can see, here it is asking me to personalize my feed, 3D, artificial intelligence, automation, awesome list, beginner friendly, machine learning, mobile development. You can select anything. Okay. But here I'm not going to select anything. Okay. Now, okay. Now, okay. After clicking there, it will start your dashboard and you will land up on this page. I hope my screen is visible and everyone is on this page. Okay, someone is saying you're going very fast. Okay, but I'm taking sufficient time to explain every step. Okay, this is a task of only 5 or 10 minutes, but I'm taking more than the time, more than the required time. Okay. Okay, done. Please repeat the last step. Okay. After entering the detail, it will ask you how many team members you will be working. Select just me or any other person. Okay. Then it will ask you whether you are a student or teacher. Select student. Okay. Then after that, it will ask some feature. Do not check any checkbox and click on continue. Just scroll down and click on continue. Then it will give you two options. First one is free of cost. Second one is pro one. For the pro one, you have to pay the fee. Okay. Okay. Then after that, click on free one. If you don't want to pay the fee, then click on continue with the free option. Okay. And you will be redirected to this page. Okay. This is the dashboard. Okay. Now here I am going to create some. Okay, someone is asking help us to provide. You can select anything. For example, if I'm selecting artificial intelligence, okay, right, machine learning, for me and Python, okay, I can see more topics. Okay, I can see more topics here. It depends on you. Okay, now that's fine. Again, here you can see there is one option, that is create repository. You can see here, right? Create repository. Click on create repository. Click on create repository. Okay. Someone is saying their dashboard is little bit different, right? Okay. How it is different? So basically, I think everyone is on this page, right? Or either it will be it is like this one, right? You can see here. Okay, right, this one, right? So that's fine. There is two options for you and the following. Okay, now here click on the create repository. Again, I'm explaining. Okay, there are two options for you. If this option is clicked, then you will see this thing on your page. If the following is clicked, then you will see different part. Okay, different thing on this screen. Or if it is something different, then please check for the repository. There is an option to create repository. Click here and you will be redirected to this page where you can see the owner name. Okay, that is your basically username. And here my username is data science 0522. I'm just giving any name. Okay. Now, then after that repository name. Now, what is repository? So basically repository is a folder, okay, on GitHub Cloud. Like you have seen, you are creating the folder, okay, in your mobile phones, in your laptops. In the same way, we are creating one folder here on GitHub. Okay, now you can give any name to the repository. For example, I'm giving data science. Okay, and data science is available. If because you cannot create two repositories with the same name in GitHub account. Like you have seen, whenever you are trying to create two files or to save two folders or two files with the same name in your mobile phone or in your system, then every time you are getting error, the file with the same name already exists. Do you want to delete it, right, or replace it? So every repository name should be unique, right? Then after that, make it public. Okay, why it is public? Because if you are making it public, then if you are sharing the link of the GitHub link, then it will be visible for everyone on the internet. For example, if I'm sharing my GitHub link with you, by making it public, then you can see the content uploaded in my GitHub link. Okay, but if I'm making it private, then I'm sharing my link, then you cannot see anything uploaded on the shared GitHub link. Okay, so make it public. Here you can see anyone on the internet can see this repository. You choose who can commit. Now you choose who can see and commit to this repository, right? Now, then after that, click on add a README file. Okay, this is where you can write a long description of your project. Okay, click on add a README file, add a README file. Then after that, scroll down and please do not select any another option and click on create repository. Now you can see this is the repository, how this looks like. Okay, here in the data science folder, you can see the data science repository. Okay, in the data science repository, you can see the main, you can say go to file, add file and code. Okay, now here you can see one file is already created, that is my readme file. Just because I have not mentioned anything, so that's why nothing is present here. But if you want to write, you can simply click here, you can write anything. Here only data science, that is my repository name is mentioned. That's why here data science is mentioned. If you want to write something about your project, something about any particular file, then you can write it here. Okay, now how to add file or upload file in GitHub. Okay, how to upload the file in GitHub. There is an option that is add file. Click on add file, then select create new file. Create new file. Okay, why? By this we can create the file. For example, I am creating one file with the name of test. Okay, right? Okay, then after that, here there is an option that is commit changes. Click here. Commit directly to the main branch, create a new branch. So basically I want to create the main branch. Commit changes. Here you can see there is a file present inside my repository. What is the name of my repository? This is my repository. Okay, this is my repository, that is data science. Inside that I have created one file, right? Okay, you can see the file, right? The test file. Now, if I want to upload any file, so for that, first, okay, just before that, let me tell you how you can create folder inside the repository. Okay, how you can create the folder inside the repository. For that, create new file again. Okay, here, if I want to create the file, so what I can see, what I can write data, or you can see machine learning I'm writing. Okay, I want to create a folder with the name of machine learning. Okay. And if I want to create a folder, after writing the name of the folder, simply click backslash. You can see here the backslash, right? Then after that, write the name of the file. Okay, those who are saying, just wait a minute, okay? I hope those after creating the GitHub, you are on the dashboard, okay? On the dashboard, you will see one option that is create repository, okay? Create repository, okay? I am explaining again why we are using GitHub, because GitHub is a cloud platform, okay? That most of the data scientists, developer, machine learning engineer, data engineers, okay, those who are working in the coding field, they are using it so that they can share their work with other coder or other data scientists, or also they can they can collaborate with each other. Okay, so it is the GitHub makes easy to share your file and to work together on a same project. Okay, so that's why we are using the GitHub. Yes, so most of the time we are basically using it as a portfolio also. Okay, we are sharing our GitHub link. Like for example, I have worked on around 10 project or 20 project. Okay, and after every project I cannot take a pen drive or hard disk to show to my interviewer or any new company or my manager. So what I can do, I can simply upload the file on GitHub, and wherever someone is asking, I can log in and or I can share my GitHub link. Directly they can see all the code with my output. Okay. Now, so this is the folder. Okay. Now the file name is file1, for example, file1. Okay. Click on commit changes. Okay. Here commit directly to the main branch or create a new branch. Okay. It will start a pull request. Otherwise, if you want to create a new branch, you can create it. If you want to work with the main branch, you can click it. Okay. I want to work on main branch. So click on commit changes. Now you can see this is my username. Inside this username, this is one repository and the status is public. Inside that repository, there is one folder, and inside that folder, there is one file. Okay. This is my folder, right? Just wait. Here you can see machine learning is my folder. Okay. Inside the machine learning folder, it is empty. Sorry, inside the machine learning folder, my file1 is created, right? If I'm clicking on my original repository, so here you can see my folder is present. Then after that, if I'm clicking on my folder, one file is present, right? Okay, so basically what we are doing in this class, I have already told you, this is not the class, this is your preparatory session where we are downloading, or we are explaining you how to download the different applications that you are going to use in your career as well as in your learning phase. Okay, if I'm taking different sessions for every module and I'm asking you, please download. Now I'm again taking one more session to tell you how to download the application, then definitely it will be a problem, right? So that's why we are conducting one session so that we can download and install all the application together. Miss Anika, if you have any query, then please put your query, okay, so that I can answer it. Okay, and if you are saying just hello and I'm answering for every hello and other query, then definitely it will consume some time. So that's why I'm not answering. If you have any technical query, if you have any query related to the things that I'm discussing, then please put your query so that I can address it. Okay. Otherwise, I'm trying to consume my time to install all the applications. Okay. Okay. Your classes will be started from the next week. Okay. Now you can see here, right? Now, if I want to upload any file right here, so here there are two options: create new file and upload file. For example, I want to upload the same file. Which file? That I have created in Jupyter notebook, right? So here I'm explaining again. Okay, just please mention, please just focus on the same thing. Click on add file, click on create new file. If you want to create a folder, simply give any name. After that, press backslash. Okay, then after that, file 1, file 2. Okay, click on commit changes and click on commit changes. Okay, now you can see the folder is created inside the data science folder. Inside the data science repository, you can see two folders are present. First one is machine learning, second one is XYZ. Okay, now if inside the machine learning folder I want to upload any file, click on add file, click on upload files. Okay, now here choose your files. Okay, and then after that I can visit Windows C. Okay, because I want to upload the Jupyter notebook that we created. Okay, now wait. And we were, okay, we created Untitled 2, right? Just wait. Which one? Untitled 2, right? Okay. Untitled 2. Select the file. Okay. Now here you can see the file is ready to upload. Okay. Now scroll down, click on commit changes. Again, I'm saying, okay, click on add files, select upload file, choose the file from your destination folder. Okay. The destination folder is C drive, users folder. Inside the user, select your user account. Inside that, you can see the Jupyter notebook. The file with .ipynb extension is the Jupyter notebook. Okay, select it. Here you can see I have selected the untitled2.ipynb and click on commit changes. It will take some time because it is processing file. Now, if I'm clicking on machine learning folder, here you can see my file is present. If I'm double click on the file and you can see, just wait, notebook not found. Wait, what? Okay, just wait a minute. Let me upload again. Okay, I don't know why it is showing something like that. Upload files. Okay, choose your file. C drive, users folder, Lenovo. Okay, this is my username and untitled 2. Now commit changes. Wait, where I have created this one. Let me pull again. Wait. Okay, I think there is some issue. Just wait a minute. I'm just creating one more file. Just wait a minute, okay? XYZ. Okay, again, I'm getting the same error. Okay, I have to check. Okay, otherwise the same file will be uploaded here and you can check the same thing. Okay, I think there is some error with the file. That's why it is showing some notebook not found. Okay, but the file is already uploaded in this location. Here you can see. Okay, wait here. What is happening here? Okay, I don't know what is the reason. Okay, but in this way, okay, working for me, right? No. It is nothing with the file if it is opening in the application, because that is different application. Okay, so okay, I hope you can just apply the same steps and see whether it is working for you or not, because many of you are saying this is working. Okay. Okay, those who have already lost, then please watch the recorded video of this session. Okay, that's fine. So now if I want to delete any file, okay, for example, I want to delete this file. Okay, so here you can click on it, and here, wait, where is the download option? Okay, here, click on here, you can see the delete file. Okay, click here and it will delete the file. For delete, you need to scroll down and commit changes. Okay, so in this way the file can be deleted, right? Same way, if I want to delete the folder, click on the three dots, delete directory. Okay, here you can see the delete directory option is there. Click on the delete directory option. Okay, then after that it will show you the file that is basically here untitled 2.ipnb file is present, and the second file is that we have created while creating the folder. Now scroll down and click on commit changes. It will delete the repository, delete that folder from your file. Okay, now if I'm clicking on my username, here you can see only one folder, only one repository is created. Okay, if I want to create any another repository, click here, click on new. Okay, then after that, here you can give the name, any name of the repository. Click on public, add a readme file, scroll down and click on create repository. Done. Now if I'm checking here, you can see in the repository there are two repositories are present, XYZ and data science. Inside the data science folder, data science repository, one Jupyter notebook is uploaded. That's why it is showing Jupyter notebook. Nothing is uploaded here. That's why it is showing updated now. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Now we are done with GitHub. Okay, now we are going to download another application. I know the timing is over, but I need some more time. Okay, so for that, search MySQL on your web browser. Okay, search MySQL. Here you will see so many results. Okay, simply click on the first link, that is your official website www.mysql.com. Click here and visit the official website. Okay, visit the official website. Don't worry, I am sharing the link. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, now here click on downloads. Okay, if you have something in your file, then the file with the same data, same output will be uploaded. I was facing some error. Okay, I have to fetch out what is the reason of the error, but many of you have messaged me. Okay, the file is working for you. The name with the output is appearing on your screen, right? So might be there are some error with my file. That's why I was getting some error. Okay, there are only one or two more softwares. Okay, that will take very less time. So please just wait a minute. Okay, click on download. Okay, then after that, just scroll down and click on MySQL. Scroll down and click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Okay, then after that, click on MySQL installer for Windows. Okay, for Mac OS, those who are using Mac OS, okay, I cannot tell you how to install the MySQL, okay, MySQL application in your system, because currently now I am using the Windows one. Okay, but for you, we will upload the one video where all the steps are explained in detail. And if you are facing while installing the MySQL in your system, okay, in macOS, you can connect with the career coach team. Okay, they will definitely help you in installing the MySQL in your macOS. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, click on MySQL installer for Windows. Okay, just wait a minute. I am sharing this link with everyone. Okay, kindly visit the shared link. Okay, and you will be on this page. Once you are on this page, kindly confirm the same thing. Okay, that's fine if you are using the Mac. Okay, just one more thing. If you are using the Mac, wait, wait. MySQL. Okay, here in the documentation, you can see about different OS, how to install, how to not install. Okay, everything is present here. Okay, this is the official documentation. Okay, I'm saying this is the official documentation. Okay, just wait. MySQL or macOS. Here. Okay, I'm also sharing this link so that if you are not getting the video till that time, you can follow the same instructions. Every step is mentioned here. Okay, on the official documentation. So this is only for the Mac OS people. Okay, one more thing, only the official documentation or website is the right source and the trustworthy source to give you any information related to the any application. Okay, because if they are deprecating or they are adding any function or services, then definitely they will upload everything on their official website. Okay, that's fine. Now everyone is on this page, right? So click on download option, that is with the 428.3 M size. Click on it. Okay, because this is the actual installer, where the other one, this one I'm saying. Okay, The file with the 2.51 is web installer. Okay, so click on download, click on no start, just no thanks, just start my download. No need to click on login and sign up, no need to sign up. Okay, click here and it will start downloading the application in your system. Okay, wait, I'm sharing the link of this page also. Okay, kindly visit this page, click on no thanks, just start my download. This is for Windows. Okay, once once the application is downloaded, like for me it is downloaded, so double click on the application, click on yes, okay, click on yes, again press yes, and you will be on this page. Those who are on this page, kindly raise your hands. Okay, great. Okay, now here you can see different options. First one is developer default, second one is server only, third one is client only, fourth one is full, and the last one is custom. Okay, so here select the developer default. Okay, okay, that's fine because we are already running out of the time. Okay, so that's why just note down all the steps, and then after that you can install it later. Okay, and if you face any query, if you are facing any error, then you can raise a ticket with the screenshot so that the team can help you with the error. Okay, they will definitely help you to solve your query, solve any problem that you are facing while installing the application. But before that, first try yourself. Okay, first try yourself to install the application. Sometime your machine is taking time longer than the normal time, then that's fine. Okay, no need to worry about if your system is taking longer time. That's fine. Okay, because it depends on different things, like on your internet speed, on your hardware resources, so many things. Okay, now that's fine. Now click on just select the developer default, that is already selected. Click on next. Okay, now here you can see MySQL server, MySQL workbench, MySQL cell. These are the products that we are going to install in our system. Okay, these are the products. Okay, now click on execute. Okay, now it is asking Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 and 29 is required. Okay, so here click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. It will take only 2 seconds to get installed. Okay, now the setup is successful, right? Click on close. Now here you can see all the installations are done. Okay, basically what is SQL? So SQL is a language, is a programming language that we are basically using to interact with the databases. Okay, now what is databases? So databases is a place where we are collecting the data, where we are storing the data. Okay, and from that place we are to fetch out the data, to work with the database, we are using the SQL language. Okay, structured query language. The full form of SQL is structured query language. okay, that we are using to interact with the database. Okay. Now, again, someone is again asking what is database. So basically, it's a collection of data where data is stored in the form of table or any another format. Okay, like we are surfing on the internet, right? We are checking the Instagram, we are using the WhatsApp. So whatever we are sharing, it is storing somewhere, like in your HDD, in your RAM. Sorry, RAM, I'm saying, in your ROM. Okay. In the same way, the companies like Google, okay, or any another company, they are also storing the data. Okay. So they are storing the data in the databases. Okay. That's fine. I know I'm running out of the time, but it is mandatory it is necessary to install all the applications so that you will not face any problem in the upcoming session. Otherwise, definitely you will face so many problems with the installation and it will disturb your learning phase. Okay. Mr. Huzaifa, can you please, if I'm pronouncing your name correctly, can you please tell me which operating system you are using? You are using Mac OS or you are using Windows? Mac. Okay, so I have already told you the link I have shared, it is only for the Windows people, those who are using the Windows operating system, not for the Mac one. Okay, just because I am not using the Mac, okay, I cannot create, okay, I cannot demonstrate the same thing here, but we will upload one video on your LMS. You can go through the video, every step we have explained in detail. Okay, just follow the video and install the MySQL in your system. Okay, now click on next. Okay, here you can see these are the products that will be installed, and here it is clearly mentioned click execute to install the following package. Click on execute. Okay, someone is saying I have not been able to resolve the installation of Anaconda. Okay, have you checked whether the Anaconda is installed in your system or not? First thing, if yes, then please let me know. If not, again let me know. Now, someone is asking, will be this recording? Yeah, the recorded video of this session will be uploaded in your LMS, so you can go through the same video several times. All the steps you can watch, you can even install the applications later. Okay. Okay. Fahim, can you please tell me your operating system name? My Jupyter file, I have already told you, please visit the C drive. Inside the C drive, check user folder. If you are using Windows, check user folder. Inside that user folder, check the user account on which you have installed the Anaconda application. If you have created 2 or 3 user account, then please select the correct user account, means the user account where you have installed the Anaconda. Okay, after selecting that folder, you will be enter in the same folder and just scroll down. There you can see the files with the .ipynb extension. Okay, someone is okay. If you are using Windows 7, then I suggest please upgrade your system to Windows 10 at least. Okay. Okay. You are using Mac. Okay, so please find out the file. Okay, I hope you are using the Finder. Okay, there is one Finder option. Finder in your Mac. Use it to find the folder. Okay, in the folder where your Anaconda is installed, in the same folder you will get the files. Okay. Okay, that's just okay. Can we have the recording of the class? I don't understand the MySQL install. Yeah, we will. Yes, you will get the recorded video of this session. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me complete. Just give me 5 minutes. Okay, one more thing. If your connector is not installed or ODBC is not installed, then no need to worry, because only 3 applications that we are going to use. First one is MySQL Server. Second one is MySQL Workbench. Third one is MySQL Cell. Okay, and this one is connector Python. Okay, if for any another product you are getting error, then no need to worry. Simply click on next. Okay, here it is asking MySQL server ready to configure. Click on next again. Okay, here no need to do anything. Simply click on next. Click again next, and here it is asking for the password. So please enter a password, and after setting the password, please remember the same password, because if you forget the password, then you will not be able to work on MySQL application, and there is no way to change your password. Okay, you have to uninstall it and then you have to install it again. So that's why I'm saying whatever you are using the password, please remember it. For example, I am going to use root as my password, ROOT. Everything is in a small letter. Okay, repeat the same password. Okay, here it is asking to add a user. I am not going to add a user because I am going to work as a root user. So click on next. Okay, again click on next. Again click on next. Okay, it is asking here, click execute to apply the changes. These configuration will be done. So click on execute. Yes, if your MySQL is asking to make changes in your system, then kindly press yes. Okay, and allow the application to make some changes. Okay, instead of deleting the Anaconda, uninstall it. Okay, uninstall the existing Anaconda. And if it is working perfectly fine, then no need to reinstall again. Okay, if you have already installed Anaconda in your system, then no need to install again. I'm repeating. Okay, that's fine. Click on finish. Okay, and you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see for the MySQL server, the configuration is completed. Now we are going to ready to configure for the MySQL router. Click on next. Again, click on finish. Right? The configuration not needed. Now we need to configure for the samples and examples. Simply click on next. Here it is asking for the password. So please enter the same password that we set few minutes ago. Okay, root, and click on check if the password is same. Okay, I am using the same this one as a root. Okay, this root as my password. So my username and password both are root. Okay, so here you can see the connection succeeded. If your password is incorrect, it will show the connection failed. Okay, click on next. Again execute, and then finish. Okay, now here you can see the configuration is completed. Again click on next and finish it. Now the installation is done. MySQL is installed in your system, and this is the MySQL Workbench. This is one of the product that we have installed. Okay, here to work on the MySQL Workbench, here you can see the local instance MySQL 80. Okay, double click on it. It will ask for your password. Again, use the same password that you set while installing the MySQL application. That what is my password? My password is root. Okay, this root, ROOT. Now save password in Vault and click on OK. Done. Here you can see this is the MySQL workbench, right? Now I want to see the databases, how to write the code in MySQL. So in the same way, we were writing the code with little bit changes. We are writing the code in your MySQL workbench. One more thing, whenever you are writing the code, always, okay, just wait. Okay, whenever you are writing the code, always end the code with semicolon. Okay, always end the code semicolon, because if you are not ending the code with semicolon or writing something, okay, just wait. Okay, here. Otherwise, if I'm not writing, then definitely I'm writing any another code in the next line, then it will consider the same code as a part of my first code. Okay, now here, for example, just wait. Here I'm using so databases. I'm using so databases again. Then in the next line, I'm using so. If I'm running the code, to execute the code, use control plus enter. Control plus enter. Now you can see I'm getting one error. The so databases, you have an error in SQL syntax. Why? Because I am not closing my first code with semicolon. Okay. Now, if I want to execute this code, click here and press control enter. Here you can see the name of the databases: information schema, MySQL, performance, Sakila, Sys, and World. And if I want to see the same databases in my structure, you can click on schema here. Click on here, you can see administration, right? Click on schema. Here you can see the name of the databases that are present in your MySQL: Sakila, System, and World. These are the three databases that are present, right? Now I want to work on World database. So for that, I need to use World. This is a code. Okay. When we are using this code, then it means we are selecting a database on which we want to work. Okay. Yeah, you can watch the recorded video of this session. Okay. If the showing error could not connect, server may not be running. Okay. Then again, close the application. Okay. Then again, run the downloaded application. You will be one page where it is asking for reconfigure. Click on it. Okay. Now, show tables. We are using this command to check the tables present in my World database. What we can see here, there are three tables: city, country, country language. Okay. And now if I want to see the data, select star from city and execute it. You can see the output, right? Okay, I hope Mr. Abdullah, you can see my screen now. I'm working on MySQL, right? Right. So please let me complete this part. Okay. Okay. What is syntax? Okay, very fast, unable to understand. Don't worry about the code and syntax now. Okay, because we are going to conduct the modules. We are going to teach you everything from the scratch. We are going to teach you about the Excel, basic Excel, then programming foundation. Then after that, structure query language. Then after that, Python language. Then after that, stats, machine learning, and so on. Okay, so we are going to start everything from the next class, that is on next Saturday. So no need to worry about the syntax. I am just showing you how, whether your application is working or not. Okay, if you are worried about the SQL syntax, you are worried about Python syntax, then no need to worry. Okay, we will start everything from the scratch. We will tell you everything. Okay, how to write the code, what is the syntax, in what manner you should start, everything. Okay, okay. The name of the application is MySQL's application. MySQL is an application, and SQL is a language, structured query language. Okay, inside the MySQL application, we are using the SQL query, SQL code, okay, to connect with the database. Okay, if you are asked, if your code is sorry, if your application is asking for reconfigure on sample example, simply click one time reconfigure, click on next. If it is asking for execute, click on execute. After finishing, just close the application and search for MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench. Here you can see, open it. Okay, open it. This is the main page of the MySQL. To work here, click on local instance. Okay, enter the password, and then after that you will be on this page, right? Yes, you will also learn about the Excel. Okay, to first write the code. Okay, this is the code to check the all the databases present in my MySQL. Okay, after writing the code, so databases, then after that semicolon. After writing the code, press Control plus Enter, and here you can see the output. If I'm checking in, if I want to see the schema, click on schema. Here you can see these are the databases. If I'm selecting use world, because I want to work on world database, then after that use database name ending with colon, click enter. Here you can see the world database is open. Okay, because currently I'm working on it. Table, view, everything is there. I want to see the tables present inside my world database. So tables, use semicolon, run. Okay, now here you can see the tables here. Okay, I'm showing you the same thing, how to execute the command, right? Here you can see the output. The output is city, country, and the name. Okay, these are the table names present inside my world database. Done. One more thing, there is one more application related to MySQL, that is command line. Okay, command line. Just search for command line and you will see MySQL command line client app. Here you can see MySQL command line app. Click on open. Okay, it is the command prompt for MySQL. There is one command prompt, right, in Windows for your system. In the same way, this is the command prompt related to MySQL. Okay, and it is directly asking for the password. What is the password? Root that I used that while setting the password while installing the MySQL. Click here, you will see the instruction here. Welcome to the MySQL monitor. Command always end with colon. Here you can see I can do the same code here. Just wait. So databases. Here you can see the same code I am running. Okay. Then after that, use world. Here, click enter. Show tables. So basically these both applications are used. This is just a command prompt to work on MySQL, and we are going to use MySQL workbench. We are going to use this application in live class. Okay, because it has more advantages. How to open command line? Simply click on search bar, click on command line, and here you can see MySQL 8.0 command line client is appearing. Click on open and it will be opened. Enter the password, press enter. That's it. Okay, and you can now write the code. Done. Okay, now it is okay. Now I am going to one just a simple application, that is AnyDesk. Okay, it will take hardly 5 minutes. Just wait for 5 minutes. Okay, click on AnyDesk. Okay, this is again one of the application. Okay, and you can click on AnyDesk here. Click on the AnyDesk application. Okay, here you can see download now. Okay, click here, and you can see the name of the applications here: Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux. So many. This application is supporting so many OS. Okay, but for Windows, download it here. Okay, the application is downloaded. Simply click on here, click on the application, and it will open like this one. Now, why I'm using this application? This is installed. Okay, why I'm using this one? So basically, if the mentor wants your system on the remote access, so that if you are facing any problem not able to solve in the installation after trying so many times, okay, and you after first you have to try. Okay, if you are facing any error, then you have to raise a ticket with the screenshot of the error that you are facing. Okay, and the team will tell you the solution to solve that problem. If the problem is not resolved, then they will take you on the remote access using this application. Okay, using this application. Mr. Tomola, James, this is not a recorded session. Okay, this is not a recorded session, this is a live session. And that's why I'm taking your name. So I hope now you're clear. This is not a recorded session. Okay. Okay. I'm explaining again. Just wait a minute. Okay. Open one new tab. Write AnyDesk. Press enter. This is the first link. Click on the first link. You will be redirected to this page. Here you can see. Okay. No need. No need. You do not need to pay any charges. Okay. Okay. Yes, it is free. Click on the download now. Okay, and it will start downloading in your system. After when you are double clicking on the application, okay, you will be, this page will appear. Okay, this is the AnyDesk ID. Okay, you can see here, this is the AnyDesk ID. Okay, if anyone have installed the AnyDesk application, can you please share your AnyDesk ID on the chat section? Please. It can be 10 digit or 9 digit. Okay, just wait. Someone has shared their ID. Just wait. Okay. Please do not send any request to me. Okay. Just wait a minute. Now you can see the remote user has rejected your session request. Okay, just wait. I'm just giving you one demonstration. Okay, how you can use it. Just wait. Please wait for the remote side to accept your session request. If the other person is accepting my request, then I can take his system on the remote access and I can help him in the installation. Okay, and we provide the remote access support only for the installation, only if the solution that we are providing is not working. Okay, and for that you have to apply, you have to share the screenshot also. Okay. Okay, I think he is not accepting. Okay, just wait a minute. Now here you can see. Okay. I can take his system. Please just. Okay. Now here you can see I can take his system. Okay. On the remote access, I can open it, the application. Okay. He is checking, select start from city. So in this way, we can help you. Okay. That's why I am asking you to install the Anaconda application. Okay. Just wait. Now I'm closing the application. Okay. Now, do you like any disk? So it will ask you, would you like to install any disk? We will click yes. Okay. Now it will ask you some like enable output. Click on accept and install. Click on yes. Wait. Done. Okay. No need to register on this website. Okay. Just close it. Here you can see the new session. Okay. Whenever the mentor is asking for your NDS ID, kindly share the same NDS ID here. Okay. Okay. I'm just sharing the link to download the Anaconda NDS application. Just wait a minute. Visit this link and download the Anaconda, sorry, NDS application in your system. Done? So that's it for the today. Okay. For more information, if anyone is facing any problem while installing anything, so first check whether it is installed or not. If it is not installed, if it is installed, then go to your control panel, just uninstall it, then try to reinstall. Okay. For the second thing, for the second error that I have received, like they are not able to install, or they are sorry, their system is slow, their internet connection is slow, then that's fine. We are going to upload the recorded video of this session on your LMS. You can go through the recorded video several times. You can follow the same steps that I have discussed in this session. Okay. And you can follow the same steps to download all the required applications before starting your sessions. And your next class will be on next Saturday. Okay. Now, okay, for those who are asking for to download the MySQL for Mac, okay, in your LMS, we will upload one video. You can watch it. What are the steps that you need to follow, which website you need to visit, how you need to download. Everything is explained on the same video. Please watch the recorded video and follow the instructions, follow the steps, and download the MySQL in your Mac OS. Okay. Okay, sir, my laptop, what is the am I sufficient or not? 10 GB, 1 GB hard disk. Okay, if you have 1 GB hard disk, so basically 1 GB or 1 TB, I think it is 1 TB. Okay, and you have 4 GB RAM. So I suggest, so please, can you please add more 4 GB? Okay, just otherwise your system will face problem. Okay, just make it 8 GB. Yeah, you can leave the session. Okay. Should we log out for the from the software? Which software? No need to log in and log out for any software. Okay, I have not mentioned anywhere to log in on Anaconda or log in on your MySQL or log in on any desk. No need to register anywhere. Okay, you just need to register yourself on GitHub. Okay, Anaconda, first check whether it is installed or not. Okay, if it is installed, then you are not getting, if you are not able to search Anaconda navigator. Okay, you can, one more thing, let me tell you in last, you can also open the Jupyter notebook directly here. Okay, just wait, Jupyter notebook, search on search here. Okay, search Jupyter notebook in the search bar. Here you can see the Jupyter notebook. Click on open app. Just wait a minute. Let me close all the. Okay, I think it is already closed. Just wait. Okay, done. Here, Jupyter notebook. Here you can see the application. Click on open. Okay, it will take couple of minutes and it will be, just wait a minute. Okay, Here you can see. In this way also you can open the Jupyter notebook directly. Okay. Okay, it is not allowing me to install. First close the application if you are installing it. Okay, then after that you can go to the control panel and you can check, you can select on the application, right click on it and uninstall it. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Okay, Ms. Chandni, if you have any query related to the session, okay, or any chat section or for anything, I request you please kindly connect with the career coach team. They are the right person to help you with your query. I am not the right person, okay, or any data science team member is not the right person. Why? Because we can only tell you, we can help you only with the technical queries related to the data science. For any another query, kindly connect with the career coach team. They will just tell them about your query and they will help you with your queries. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.